What's in the box? Okay, lightning tail. To USB Type-C. Couple of stickers. And manual. What the fuck is the charger? I've got a couple of chargers, but none of them are C charger. What kind of weird shit is this? Oh, sorry. Come on. Okay, the power button. Okay, the power button feels really good. Well, you think this is gold? This is a gold iPhone. Hello, Bugatti? I need 2 cars. Why not? Deliver it today. Bank? I need $50 million. I'm going shopping. Because why not? With a gold iPhone? This is how it's supposed to be look like. See it close up, sorry for the reflections. Horrible studio. Well, menu and everything looks the same, like in iPhone X, iPhone XS, iPhone 11. It's the same software. Let's check audio first.
Stop.
Wow.
Ripples fade away. Human hearts unlucky. Those battle scars remain.
Well, a lot of lows, a lot of mids. Sounds way better than other brands. Benchmarks. Yeah. That's what you need. 5052. That's the score for the Slideshot Extreme. You need those numbers. Bionic 14. Camera. There's a huge improvement in the camera, but this is a software improvement. You can see HD 4K, all the way to 4K 60 frames per second. What's 4K 60? Why don't want to switch to 4K 60? Believe me, it will record 4K 60. There's also this button, which will... What the...
Zooming is very aggressive. This smartphone records in Dolby Vision, but I think no one cares, and it's not compatible with YouTube yet. Great colors, but very stable. It will also shoot slow motion 240 frames per second. Of course, in 720p. Couple of pictures, it will give you insanely good pictures. Those are the best pictures in the market. This smartphone is the best on the best. Compared to S20, huge difference. Selfie, insane.
It's the same smartphone, but better.